guys, my name's Tyler Duffy, and today I'm joining Gentry Stein's new team with YYF. And today I'll be unboxing my first ever sponsorship package. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's see what I got. So I first got a shirt. This thing's awesome. It's the new Yo-Yo Factory shirt. That's cool. I got another, let's see what it is. A Yo-Yo Factory shirt with rewind. That's really cool. It's an awesome shirt. And then I got one more shirt, the Yo-Yo Factory Adventure. That's awesome. Let's see what I got. First of all, I got a replay. It's awesome, a purple. It's awesome. Then I got a bi-metal shutter.
What? Yeah!
I got a shutter, Aqua Edition, a Galaxy shutter. Wow, that's cool. I got a replay, a different design. That's really cool. Another replay, purple replay. That's really cool. And I got a Yo-Yo Factory Airwave. Wow, that's cool. And let's see what else. Some response pads. Extra bearings. And lube. And a cool card. Let's see how these play. Okay, let's start out with the aqua color. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so to start off, we're going to start off with the aqua shutter. Here's a close-up angle. Awesome, let's see how it plays. First though, it's so smooth. It's nice. See how it plays. It's so vibrant on the string. Let's go. It's really cool.
What's your life, man? I know a lot of people.
That's nice. Okay, so let's try the next one. Next one we're gonna try is the splash color. Wow, that's cool. Awesome. So here is the pink splash color.
Don't you give up, give up. Not here to be a quitter, quitter. It's good, all good. Made it through things I never thought I would. They never thought I could. But now I know I'm good. $2 in my pocket, I'm good. They trying to get me caught up, I'm good. And I ain't never going.
Awesome. Let's throw it down, see how it looks. Oh, it's cool. Okay. Very smooth. Let's do some chips.
What? See.
So next we're going to be trying out this new style of replay. It's a different colorway. It's white. Awesome. Okay. So here is the white Replay Pro. It's a new edition Gentry's been trying. It looks really cool. Here's a close-up angle. See how it looks when it's spinning. It's pretty cool. Awesome.
I can't stop, I can't quit. It's in my heart, it's on my lips. I can't stop, no, I can't quit. It's in my heart, yeah, I'm all in. Till the wheels fall off, till the spotlight fades, I will live.
Nice. Awesome. We're gonna move on to the next replay. So it looks like it's blue and purple splash color. Awesome. Sweet. Awesome. So here's the replay. This is what it looks like. It's the plastic Replay Pro. It's really nice. This is what it looks like. It's spinning. And let's see how it is. It's very smooth.
Yeah. Mama told me, mama, all the time, God is good, all the time. Yeah. Mama told me, mama, all the time, God is good, all the time. Yeah. All the time, all the time, all the time, all the time.
Very nice throw. Let's try out the airwave.
It's okay.
Try this. Awesome. Let's try some Bore. This is the Yo-Yo Factory Airwave. Just what it looks like. Nice. Oh, that's nice. That's my Bore skills. I am not like the best at Bore.
Yeah. Tell me I got that glow, I cannot hide it. Yeah. I got heaven printed on my eyelids. Thinking if I die tonight, then I'ma die rich. Thinking if I die tonight, then I'ma die rich. I got the finessing with the kindness.
Here's the one that I've been waiting for. The bimetal shutter. It's the silver edition. It's really cool. Open it up. Oh my god. Look at it. There we go. Awesome. Okay. See how it plays. So this is the bimetal shutter, Gentry Stein's edition. Wow, that's nice. Okay, here's a close-up view. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's spinning. Alright, very smooth. Let's do a few tricks.
I'm doing my dance, don't mind me. I'm doing my dance, hey, look, I'm doing my dance, watch. I'm doing my dance, hustle. I'm doing my dance, work. I'm doing my dance,
Oh, that's cool.
body tag your own bettis. I don't smoke in that lettuce. Just pump that chemical.
Very nice. See what grinds? Whoa, that's nice. And finger spins? Wow.
I take a break, but I don't ever quit.
It's an all-around nice yo-yo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Big thanks to Yo-Yo Factory for sending me all these yo-yos and the shirts. And thank you to Gentry Stein for putting me on his team. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Let's do finger spin.
All the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. God is good. All the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. I tell you, God ain't good. I be nice, low key lit, high key lit, low key lit, flex. Whole squad be lit, low key lit, high key lit.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't talk. YouTube videos are horrible. How can I get credit this?
Do it again.
Okay, thank you guys so much. And also a big thanks to Gentry Stein for putting him on my team. Him on my team. I'm messing up grammar.